How to delete Discord account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete Discord account permanently. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Discord application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards U icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select gear icon at top right corner to access the Discord settings section. From this account settings, select account. Now you have to scroll to the bottom. There you will get the option to delete account. Simply you have to tap delete account and then a pop-up message appears where you have to enter the password to delete your account. Once you are done, tap on OK button. Then you will proceed to this welcome screen of Discord. That means you have successfully deleted your Discord account permanently. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.